Again, welcome to 16232. And this project is very nice project simply because we remodeled it from what it appeared to be like an outdated house to something really beautiful. And because of that, I can tell you exactly what we did. This is the type of opportunities that we always try to jump on in order to create better products, better housing for the Miami market. And I want to invite you to come in and see what it is. We started by this. We opened up this area. It was completely closed. This is about to be finished. Remember, we're at 95% completion on this project, and still we're already coming in. As soon as you come in, there was a big wall there, and that wall kind of disappointed most of the people, and that's something that perhaps we simply did not want to happen. All right, now there was a wall right here that completely shocked the people as soon as they came in. There was another wall where the counter is. Why? Because they had an enclosed kitchen. We opened this up, created this beautiful big room where you can combine family dining room and also the kitchen. The kitchen is beautiful. We did it with quartz, very good quality materials, as you can see. Also, we have very nice appliances, recessed lights all over, and this is a house that most of the people would love to live in. Why? Because it's spacious. It became a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Why? Simply because we upgraded a garage that was completely outdated and it was not even useful for a car. Now, I want you to come now for the pool, the outside area. We got a ton and groove, beautiful terrace. The wood, it's just awesome. It's a big area. As soon as I came in here, when I looked at the house, there was so breezy out here because we got the north right that way, that we said we need to build something up. We created this terrace. It's about 600 square feet terrace, beautiful. And the back you can see the pool, 15 by 30 pool. The pool is really nice, and there was enough space in the whole place to do the pool, and that's why we did. In addition to that, we have an area also for perhaps sunbathing. That's another thing that you can do here, and it is simply awesome. I know that this will be the place to entertain for the next family that chooses to buy this home. Now we're gonna come in here and we're gonna see what the garage looked like and what it looks like now. As you can see now, we converted this. We created a laundry room because the laundry room was outside of the house. What a bummer. And we also created this beautiful room. Now it's very spacious. In addition to that, we have an awesome bathroom, modern, with good vanities and no step up or step down shower, which are really nice. In addition to that, you're able to come out here to the outside directly if you want to go to the pool. I just see all this green. I know you're not seeing it, but you will, and it's just gonna become a beautiful remodel. Okay, why do we choose this? Because the land was there. It was enough land, it was enough space in the back that we could actually come out with a very nice product. Now let's go to the main room areas. Okay, and as you can see, very spacious. Again, we go back to the main rooms. In the main rooms, again, recessed lights all over. We created a very nice bathroom over here, and this bathroom is simply awesome. Again, no step up or down for the shower. It's a very nice colors that are very warm, used in this moment. They're very modern. The same thing on the wall finishes. Another bedroom, big enough, impact windows all over. Therefore, you get the full discount on your insurance. Brand new AC. In addition to that, you got another bedroom right over here. And here there was a closet. We took this closet and we brought it in because we wanted to make a bigger shower, a true master bedroom. And come in to see the master bedroom and bathroom. And as you can see, this is really nice, very spacious, impact windows, and that's awesome. In addition to that, we have a double sink master bathroom now, also with a very nice bathroom shower, and very spacious, okay? And of course, you also have your door to go directly to the pool, to the entertainment area. And you come back over here and you get to see it. And I'm very, very sure that the next family that will move to this property will enjoy, and this will be the place to be. Why? Because you have a beautiful area to entertain, to stay here. If you are looking to buy a house and you want to remodel it and you want to see it and you want to start paying after all the remodeling has been done, feel free to give us a call. I'll tell you how you can do that. Reach out directly to us, Valencia Team, and we can help you in the whole process from beginning to end, from designing, making, building the house, and doing all the arrangements that you need to do. Remember, don't wait to buy real estate and wait. Thank you.